Hi, we are cutting our hairs today. Oh my god, I have no idea what came to me to do this, but I am doing it. And if you're watching this, I have already done it, and I'm probably having a breakdown or loving it. I have a very bad feeling about this, so I'm probably having a breakdown. But let's get started. So I have a little bit of idea how to do this because I saw this girl cutting her own hair. She kind of parted it from the middle, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. And I should have brought a mirror because this is my mirror. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Oh wow, it's a good look. Am I going to do this? Yes, Of course, I'm going to do this. You're watching this. Okay. Oh my god, look at my hair. It's so freaking thin. Okay. Oh my god, it is getting real. Okay. My bands are not matching. I'm so sorry. I tried to find matching bands, but I apparently I don't have any. So, and both are green, right? Literally, nobody's gonna watch this. Okay, why am I what? No, it's okay. It's okay. What? Okay. Okay, I just have to make sure that it's even, okay? I feel like I'm doing everything wrong. Okay. No, this is not how I cut it. I don't cut it here, right? Oh my god, I was about to cut it right there. No, I cut it up here, right? Oh my god, it's too short. Is it? Literally, I can't see. I can't. I'm not kidding. I'm literally having a panic. What is this? Okay, let me just not have a panic attack right now, and then I can. I haven't even finished it. It's not. I was like, maybe I was like cutting everything. Okay. What? Stop. It's okay. It's just hair. It's gonna grow back. And plus, nobody's gonna see you except your family. I mean, they've seen worse, so. It's. What the? What is this? Okay, I'm just gonna. I literally have no hair down back there. Oh my god. What is happening? Is this real? And you know what? If you know what? I am not gonna care what people say. Although look at me. See, it's gonna grow back. It's not like life could be worse. Life could have been worse. Still have this side. Can you imagine? I'm just gonna go out like it shouldn't have been this short though, right? Okay, I'm just gonna cut this one. I'm just gonna. Stop, it's okay. But you know what? I think I have it even. I look so different. Oh my god, I kind of love it. You know, I think I'm delusional because something very tragic happens, and then you're like, it's fine because your brain cannot comprehend it anymore. Oh my god, guys. What am I going to do with this? Donate it? Okay, I'm losing my mind and I'm gonna go now. Okay? I'm not gonna have a panic attack again. Bye. I'm sweating so much.